This is what we do. Metro area grudge in the house, bringing action to you.
What's up, LBL?
Monster Jones.
I'm up here to see Wicked Bird get it in tonight, but I'm riding with the Hattons.
You riding with the Hattons?
I got to ride with my boys.
Here we go again, man.
Here we go.
Who you like tonight? I know you're going with Tony, right?
Yeah, I got to go. I got to go with the home team. What's up, buddy?
Wicked Bird, Tony Hatton. Who you like?
The Bird.
You going with the Bird?
I'm going with the Bird.
The Wicked Bird told me last night that I'm in deep trouble.
Hey, Rick.
Yes, sir.
Who you like, man? Styles or Hatton?
I'm riding with the Hatton boys, you know what I'm saying? I took that L last week. So I'm trying to get some of my money back now, but I can't even get it back.
Wicked Bird, Hatton tonight, man. Who you like?
Who I like? Hold on, man. I like both of them. Is there such thing as a tie?
Nope.
No tie?
Not drag racing.
I don't know, man. I think Wicked Bird might fly over tonight.
Who you like, young man?
Wicked Bird.
I mean, look at the place, man. People everywhere to watch a race tonight, you know?
Fuck off. Wicked Bird, Tony Hatton, man. Who you like tonight?
Wicked my man, but I think Hatton gonna fucking win.
Got another one tonight. Wicked Bird and Tony Hatton. Who you like?
It's gonna be a tough one, man. I'm gonna look at the shakedown. Let's see what's happening here.
Don Brown.
What's going on, LBL?
Here we go again, Friday night, Capitol Raceway. Wicked Bird, Tony Hatton, man. Who you like?
I'm gonna go with the hat.
I'm proud of all these guys. You know, they doing the do.
Who you like tonight?
I like Styles.
You like Styles over Hatton?
Like Hatton.
Love it, man. Nice, man. Miles, what's going on? Once again, we here at Capitol Raceway. Wicked Bird, Hatton this week, man. Who you like? We gonna know tonight.
We're gonna know tonight.
The Hattons, Wicked Bird, look at all the cars, you know, that's what it's all about. You guys stepping in, metro area grudge racing, big props to y'all. All I can say is that we'll be there to support y'all.
Appreciate it.
All right, man.
Monster Jones.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
got 2,500. You said bring whatever y'all got. Okay, we betting 1,000 off my money. Okay,
That's
whatever.
what I'm asking
Okay, it's a calm down. So now send that message back over. It's $1,000. All right, and he got fixed.
But you got to twist it, though, saying
I ain't got to twist
you can bring whatever you want.
No, you ain't hear me say that.
That's what
that's some his. I don't give a fuck what y'all talking about. That hearsay shit. Well, you know what?
You got.
Who said that?
You did.
When the fuck I say that shit? That's what I'm talking about.
I'm just telling you what they got.
What did I just tell you, messenger? There you go. Now, get this.
I ain't got all the money.
I ain't going nowhere.
I told him he was weak. I told y'all he was weak. I shouldn't have read him because he was a nobody. I just made him somebody.
That's right.
That's all it was. That's his second grudge run in his life.
That's right.
And he got fucked up with that little ass peon boat.
Hey, look, that goddamn Hatton boys is on Larry Custom Team side. That's what's gonna happen on October 26th. All them Larry levels. All last one of them Larry
LL,
levels.
baby, LL.
Larry level stands for losers.
That's right. Last and losers. What Ricky Bobby say? If you ain't first, you're last. Okay? Goddamn it. And that go for that G Money. All them boys that done trade coats. It's the Civil Wars, baby. It's going down.
John Murphy is a motherfucking Metro Brother. Metro Brother.
Welcome to Metro Blood, baby.
He been compared.
Winners are winners and losers are losers.
But you on our team, white brother.
You want to come over to the good side? Okay, then. Okay, then.
I'm when they recruit doing the recruit.
Hey, it's all there, baby. It's all there. I'm waiting on Tony to bring some over here. Hey, Tony, come on over, baby.
Another one bite the dust. Another one bite the dust. Hey, hey, hey!
You ready? Watch this, baby. Compliments of Hatton, brought to you by Metro Area.
You like being in a strip club? Somebody got stripped. Somebody got stripped to their clothes off.
Then the cameraman wants some.
Oh, you got some?
Shit.
Good driving job. Good driving job. Baby. To a new day. Metro Area Grudge, bringing grudge racing back. All hail to the king. To the king.
MAG, baby. MAG.
This is one of the best coming out of America. Fuck this man. Fuck with him. Y'all gonna sign out October the 26th.
I'm talking for Big Red. This goes out to the Hatton boy. I hope y'all didn't, Wicked Bird didn't scare y'all away or y'all got your ass whooped bad. But you told me last week that you'll run us on the 26th down Colonial Beach. We still waiting. I hope that loss didn't play in effect. But yeah, we still on for the 26th, Hatton boy. Remember us, Big Red.